things for people and friends and sisters around me.
And they annoy the.
And are you guys real sisters? Well, full coverage makeup में dewy skin कैसे ही करोगे? Full coverage means like a thicker coverage and dewy look लाना थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है उसमें, क्योंकि जब coverage बढ़ जाती है तो वो dewiness kind of just goes away a little bit. So वो थोड़ा difficult है to achieve. मतलब लड़के देखे हैं जिनके cheeks तक बाल होते हैं. Ashika is almost a guy.
मम्मी को भेजूं?
नहीं. That is not the kind of negativity we need. By Sirona. अच्छा है ये. It's a good one.
How many siblings do you guys?
लोग रात को सोते नहीं हैं and they are able to hide it. Then Ashika has these eyes that clearly show.
कि मैं 15 साल से सोई नहीं हूँ.
I've cancelled a class for you to do your makeup. I hope you realize that. To make this shit happen.
Yeah.
Because her eyes are like.
Could you, watching this after getting my juniors ready for their farewell, what do you need to apply before using razor?
You need to apply something that's gonna make the surface really soft and buttery so that the razor can smoothly glide on. I use the Aura Organic Gold Elixir oil because it does the skincare bit as well, and the Aura Organic Tulsi Hair toner. It's an organic product, both of these are, and they work pretty nice, so I like them. This one by Bobbi Brown.
When will you have an online self makeup class again? Really looking forward to joining that.
The kind of confidence people have on me is like
हाँ मम्मा
outrageous.
बहुत ज़्यादा वो on you.
मैं अंडर पेंटिंग कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आई डोंट वांट दिस मैम टू गेट लाइक ऐसा लुक कि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा वो लगे. सो चिन अप अश्विका.
Somebody asked me the shade of color correctly used for the second time.
No product info, guys. She's getting thoughts in her head, and that's why she has like a smile.
Be rude to me. It's just how she talks to me.
Tell them the reason also, na, why I talk to you like this.
I mean like, इतनी बुरी हूँ नहीं मैं.
Are you sure?
नहीं.
Are you sure? I
And
think
it's
you should
like,
publicly
पता है,
tell everyone
it's
how
like-
fucked up you are.
नहीं, it's like जैसे होता है ना कि like you behave like a dumb 5-year-old, 18-year-old. That's annoying. So like that's understandable. Have you seen those memes where like when you're with your boyfriend, your like brain kind of shuts down and like he's doing everything. मैंने मेरे साथ वो क्यों होता है? आपके
When
साथ
you're
I get
with
so,
me.
exactly. I get. तो माँ के तो बाल है.
See the hands, they're so cute.
Yeah.
So when you're doing underpainting, थोड़ा overboard जा सकते हैं, blush बहुत ज़्यादा कर सकते हो. Like you can go, and Ashika is anyway okay. with,
I
like,
love.
blush all over her
blush.
face. Instead of foundation, just
Yeah.
use a blush and
Ah,
cover her whole
exactly.
face. That's what she wants.
I love blush blindness.
ये रुक क्यों गया?
मुझे इंस्टा से नोटिफिकेशन आ रही मनीषा बाली इज ब्राइट डूइंग माय लिटिल सिस्टर्स फेयरवेल मेकअप. हाँ सही बता भाई.
Guys, this is for the first time she's getting like expensive makeup done on her face.
True.
and the feeling is crazy. I hope. But I've realized that you're very photogenic. I didn't know that, but you are. Like, I can see it on the camera and like you're looking pretty like.
Maybe then I just don't know how to click my pic.
Now because you're not able to do that a lot on this live.
Yeah, मुझे बहुत ऐसे सांस नहीं आ रही.
Are you feeling on spot?
क्या?
Are you feeling like you're on spot with the live? Like everyone's just looking at
नहीं
you?
अब तो it's fine. पहले I was nervous for 2 seconds. Now I'm fine.
That's Ashika's life.
मैं ज़्यादा देर बेटी ले नहीं पाती. मैं हाँ ठीक है भाई. हो रहा है.
God. But हाँ, थोड़ा तो different it'll be because you know I work and you don't, so that's going to be there. The foundation, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter, and usse I've given her like a glowy vibe, and then now we're gonna do. Look up. ये जो भी ब्रेकअप्स का इफेक्ट है अंडर आईज के नीचे.
God, मम्मी को लाइन नहीं भेजा.
As if your mom doesn't know that you've had boyfriends.
She only knows about the current one because the पहले ना it wasn't like boyfriend. And I was
Oh
like,
yeah, it was a situationship.
Yeah. अब तो मतलब कुछ हो जाता है like if I'm crying or if I'm fighting on कुछ क्या हो गया अब बोले करे यार रहने दो आप.
I think I feel like a lot like a mom because of Ashika. Like a lot like a mom. Which is why I know I don't want a baby like this when I become a mother.
It's very okay like even if I'm like 2 बजे आके like सो जा या पढ़ ले ये क्या कर रही है?
ये क्या कर रही है?
Relatable means डालने से घर नहीं चलेगा. What are you using on under eye?
Concealer.
मैं टच कर सकती हूँ यहाँ पे?
No,
It's हो रहा है.
it's fine.
Did you use the Tulsi Arc?
Look up. I use the Gold Elixir oil by Aura Organic and the Tulsi Arc.
Oh, Tulsi Arc is the toner.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will. Look up. Let's see, you should look up only. I think for as long as I've been a makeup artist, you've always been like very कि क्या makeup है, like what is all this stuff, and every time she would look up, every time she would come up in my room and she would look at stuff, she'd be like ये सब मेरे हाथ से every time.
Because every time I come, there's like some new brand going on the reels, then it's already आपके पास. I'm like अरे तुमने reels पे देखा था.
You are the clumsiest person on the planet. Otherwise, I would have told you to become a makeup artist. But I know for a fact that you can't. Like you don't have it in you.
That's what I'm about to say.
I don't think so. We love a self-aware queen also, and Ashika is too self-aware. She says things like that, and then she's like, "वैसे सच नहीं है." But
can you please tell me how to make skin tone lighter?
That's not something that I do, so I don't think I'll be able to tell you that because मेरा डोमेन ही नहीं है वो.
And skin tone lighter करना shouldn't be the goal.
Exactly.
It's like ये तो common basic sense है.
And the fact is that I don't even hide that I'm pissed off about it. I'm like so vocal about the things that don't work out for me that. Why are you making this face when I'm working on like the contours of your
मुझे वो
face?
brush ना ऐसा हो रहा है. मेरे दिमाग में वही गाना चल रहा है. Oh girl, you're mine. Oh girl.
So she had to ideally be in a blouse, but she's not. So, वो तो color corrector से ही होगा. You just have to choose the right shade of corrector and like have good amount of corrector and it blends out to the rest of the skin. That's how it should be.
Please suggest affordable blush.
I think the Maybelline Teddy blushes are like really really nice. You can use those also. बहुत अच्छे हैं. If you're looking for affordable, there's also Praush. Praush के blushes are also really nice. There was one that you were using yesterday. Which one was that?
Rare Beauty का the mini one.
No, you were using one of yours.
It was Gush Beauty ka 3 in 1 stack. It had bronzer, highlighter, and blush.
Ashika, your dream is coming true. She saw this in my vanity.
Yeah.
She was like,
ये
"ये pink blush कब use होगा?" And of course, she's scared of touching my product, so she didn't do that.
Yeah. Scared touch पूछने में भी होता है.
नहीं, पूछ like you can use them.
I use the ones in your वो ना जो like वहाँ पर है, यहाँ पे रखे हैं वो तो I.
It's like a property.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, you bachchi.
The same person who asked about how to make the skin tone lighter, she thinks that people like to look thoda gora from their skin tone.
I think you can achieve that by doing the right kind of highlighting technique instead of like changing the complexion altogether. I think that looks way better. I would rather do that.
Which blush? It's the Dior का कौन सा blush डाला?
It's the Rosy Glow brush, 01 shade. Either.
What is the
It's
best?
the one that Kylie uses.
What is the best liquid highlighter according to you?
I don't use liquid highlighters, so I wouldn't be the right person. But if you have to use something, then I would use the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. Not the airbrush, the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter for that.
Okay. Face.
No, you're very pretty. Look down. Like this is one feeling I don't want you to have. You shouldn't feel like that. And this is the first time I'm doing makeup on you. It's not gonna turn out bad.
It's not gonna turn out bad, but
okay, because you are nuts, so you might not like it.
yeah. नहीं, I like it also. I would feel like कि
मैं नहीं लग रही.
हाँ.
That's such a girl behavior. People want to also look like Snatch. She'll keep sending me these models. She wants to look like them and stuff like that, and then she would also not want full face of makeup, which is pretty outrageous. So dude, I was talking to this guy online, and like I was saying things like, I'm like I go to the gym twice. Second time jaake like you get some time to recuperate and all that. And I've known him like for so long, of course, right? He's like, your vocabulary has been drastically changing ever since the moment that I've met you. The words that you use are just beyond my head. And I was like, well, that's called growing. That's how it should be. Eyes band. एक तो इस लड़की की eyes बंद नहीं करा सकते हो आप because she is like hyperactive all the time.
You know, I'll tell you another वो. वहाँ लेके.
सीधा देख. Ashika, it's just the color.
I know.
Calm down. Pinch तो नहीं हो रहा? Ashika की lashes इतनी बड़ी है, लोगों के सर में बाल नहीं होते इतने बड़े. सीधा. Look straight. Yeah.
You're the only one who compliments my lashes, but I think Latisha has bigger ones. क्या बोलते हो, बोल नहीं सकती लाइफ में.
एक तो इसका चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा निकल आता है हर चीज में, ठीक है ना? हर चीज में लाइक घर का ट्रॉमा है.
My Arisha has gorgeous lashes. उसकी इतनी उसकी like you know his lashes. He also has, even if you see मेरी बचपन की pictures ना, there are dark circles उसमें भी. So it's very
center. I love that this expression is captured on camera.
Which setting powder?
नीचे यशिका, नीचे क्या होता है?
मैंने like एक सेंट नीचे देखा, मैं ऊपर ही देखना पड़ता है.
Do you do a liner?
No. Only mascara and contour. I think liner looks weird on me.
I just realized it.
I was about to say that color नहीं देने
ये liner का not bad. I just wanted that look.
I always wanted to try that smoky eyes.
Foxy
look.
liner
नहीं
thing.
foxy liner, just smoky eye, which like Maddie has for like Euphoria. You seen her smoky eyes?
No,
with the
I
Tina
don't know who
makeup.
Maddie is, so.
No, you do. You've seen her reels वगैरह पे. It's a very iconic सा bad bitch character. There's Cassie, Sydney Sweeney, that dumb blonde who cries for attention. Then Maddie is like,
Looked.
you can go kill yourself. I could not care less.
I think it's going. No, you can elaborate. I think you know the stuff. You heard me too much. No, I was being serious. I think I'm gonna do this pretty often after your.
Both.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. I'm enjoying doing your makeup, which I did not think I would.
पता है, I don't know if you remember. I think हमें किसी फंक्शन में जाना था, मैं छोटी थी. या तो आप थे या मासी थी, but somebody was telling me कि अश्विका लेफ्ट को like लेफ्ट की तरफ अपना like face move कर, and I moved my eyes and she said eyes नहीं face move कर. I want to ask Mama की साड़ी वाली press करवा दी.
तो पूछ ले. Okay. मेकअप तो करती है नहीं, बट इन्हें कराना होता है.
कौन?
तुम.
I'm 18.
So I do cleansing, then I use the Tulsi Earth toner, and this is the same for my brides and for myself. Then I do the toner and then I do the face oil. I don't need the moisturizer because the oil does the job. And then sunscreen after like 10-15 minutes once I'm done with that. I think I'm very happy that your first makeup experience is with me.
और किसके साथ होती है?
But still. तो Ashika के बाल is everywhere.
You and your sister both are such cuties. Thank you. Reading the mention sound. Which lipstick are you using?
That's a secret.
कौन से कलर्स का लिप कॉम्बो किया है?
Do you like only pinks? I know you don't.
नहीं, nude pink is वो mention in a makeup artist's terms and conditions.
Or payment terms, आप payment कब लेते हो? What is your cancellation policy? That's very very important and like be very clear कि कब तक cancellation हो सकती है, कितना amount कब तक due होगा, when do you take the payment, what all services are included and अशिका बुल क्यों खोल रही है? नॉर्मल इधर देख window of India also na? Oh no. Can you do me a favor? Can you wear the blouse
हाँ.
and come?
Yeah.
The reason for it, Manisha. It could be that आपकी जो आईज है वो हुडेड है और जो आप लाइनर कर रहे हो वो ऊपर लग रहा है विच मीन्स द लिड एरिया इज टचिंग द हुड. नहीं आपको लाइनर नहीं करना चाहिए इफ दैट हैपेंस. अगर ये मेरे साथ भी होता है सो व्हाट आई ट्राई टू डू इज आई ओनली डू लाइक अ हाफ लाइनर फ्रॉम हियर एंड आई डोंट गो all the way, you know. But what do you suggest? One should take the full payment before starting the makeup or after? Sorted. I start with the Aura Organic ka Tulsi Arc Toner. And then so आपको ऑयल और टोनर ना साथ में लगाना है. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. As you can see, my skin is pretty clear and it's not because my skin was always good, but it is only because I really take very good. So I think so. My cat is actually, she's ran outside the house so that I can do the massage well. I'm looking very funny, but you have to look funny when you do skincare. Trust me. एक तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी तो I think you should also side by side book your cab because otherwise you'll. Guys, ask me questions. Come on, I'm in a good mood. I had 4 students and I was very lucky, very fortunate. Okay. मम्मा एक बार मोनी से वो सेटिंग स्प्रे निकाल के आशिका को कर दो प्लीज.
थोड़ा सा वो हो गया मस्कारा के वॉन्ड से. दिख रहा है आपको थोड़ा बहुत लाइट सा हुआ है.
Let it be right
हाँ
now.
ठीक है ना.
And it's the Huda Beauty concealer. See. How to choose brushes? Any tips for that? तो जब आप क्रीम या लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट से काम कर रहे हो देन यू नीड लाइक अ डेंस ब्रश विच कैन ऑल्सो बफ. When you're working with powder products, you need a fluffy brush. See, so natural. No, it doesn't work on me. I've tried absolutely everything and it doesn't work on me. Anti-dandruff shampoo. Look at these hearts, so cute. Hello, hi Lavina, how are you? Everyone's great, everyone's fab. You know what, it's taken me like a really long time to be comfortable with, you know, what my face looks like and stuff like that, and working out has really helped me with that. Working out has really helped me with a lot of stuff for that matter, which was very surprising to me. I was always like, mujhe nahi karna hai, you know, working out's not my thing. I don't think. See, getting doing glowing, yes, it really is. Usually my clients are dry, but it still looks a bit dry. So when you're trying to do a dewy look, only certain parts of the face are set and not the whole face. The major setting happens using a setting spray, and that works for you. Also, a dry skin hair, then I feel the oil and toner really works very, very well, and that is going to be important for you to have in your vanity. I think ELF Halo Glow is a good, but I don't think it performs like how T1 does. How to boost self confidence? रोज खुद को देखो शीशे में 2 मिनट, टाइमर लगा के देखो. Speak with yourself. Look at yourself. Look at the parts you love. Look at the parts that you don't like that much. Look at the parts that you're very unsure of, and look at the parts that you're very sure of. And then tell yourself that no matter what parts are there, you love yourself. But what that does is that in your brain, it kind of in the shade knee high. Real nice, like it. Formula जो stable हो and it has oil and like a self-setting formula, semi-matte, not completely, like a luminous touch to the base. I think that would be a good idea. Toner and oil is or Organica Gold Elixir oil. This is non-sponsored, of course. Do you see the a little slight difference in both my eyes? What do you do for oily eyelids? Use an eyeshadow primer. Also, what concealer are you using to set the eyes? I would want to know that too. From darker colors, use lighter colors only, and mm, avoid using a liner. If you want to do a liner, then use just like a foxy look liner, the way I did today, like just this much is enough. Stay away from kajal. Use lashes only on the outside if you have to. And use beige towel over the pouch, not that way. Primer for oily lids, but it still does its transfer. यार ये तो होना तो नहीं चाहिए, especially with Tarte. नहीं होना चाहिए. Where's your cab?
It's coming in 5 minutes.
She wants to show up, and it's nice. I think it looks pretty dewy and pretty nice, and I think it'll settle even more. Let's show them pictures. The boyfriend. Oops, I used the wrong brush.
Kate. Oh, sorry.
That's okay. It was a once in a lifetime thing, I guess. कैसा लग रहा है? आप चले जाओ. In jeans.
Yeah, I am wearing my jacket and leaving.
Kind of market that you cater to. कौन सा complexion shade है? The good part is that they have divided their palettes in like there are 3 palettes going on right now. One is Lotus, Evil Eye, and Dragon. If you have medium skin tones, then Evil Eye will work good for you. A very stable base. So आप पहले cream करो and उसके ऊपर you can do liquid. That will work. Please let me know about a good setting powder. Mama yaar. By Huda and Hourglass. Both. They both are good.
Of course. Obviously.
What of course.
कुछ नहीं लेंगे. I thought I lost one sock.
Okay, you don't like the Chanel powder. No, I think it's very not me at all. Do that before you do the powders. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Come say bye here.
Watch out. Bye.
The setting spray really plays the role, and I think for me it's just the setting spray that does a lot of the big chunk of the work. But yes, if you take like a stable foundation formula, that also helps with the longevity. So any foundation that says um simple black, that says long wear, 24-hour wear, matte finish. These will last you. The lipstick I used yesterday was the Super Stay Ink Crayon in Lead the Way. This is the one. It's Lead the Way. What is the main key undertone? Setting spray or fixing spray? Setting spray. I think it's a setting spray that works for me at least. So that's that. What else? What's happening? So I'm planning to launch Indian Tyaar Ho Jaye. Offline classes I only take like one-on-one sessions. See, this is the look. It's absolutely unfiltered. Part me, you'll not see any foundation going on. That is also why कि मेरा my contours and stuff they look a little more stuff. आपको पता है कि top notch है तो आप spend करो, do the full looks and everything. But I feel sorry if you're a beginner, आपको पहले call models, do cami top looks, show your makeup, see how your makeup is, see how people are responding to it, and create some good content. Not just focus on the outfit, the jewelry, the style is bringing in the stuff. Like that's not gonna work the whole time, as it shouldn't also.